Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me, we are going to look at the 2022 Sea Ray 19 SPX. We're going to start off on the exterior, then we'll move into the interior. So starting off on the exterior, you'll notice this beautiful black hull with the white hull bottom. You have stainless steel cleats around the boat. As you look up at the windshield, you're going to notice this big bimini top with stainless steel poles. Provides lots of shade in the sunshine. Your gas fill is right here. Again, more stainless steel cleats for docking situations. You'll notice you have a big swim platform here with sea deck. This is the Dune sea deck. You have a stainless steel ladder here that folds down, make it easy to get out of the water. You're also going to have a swim platform that does, or a swim step that does fold down when the stern drive is in its down position. And this is the Mercruiser Alpha 1 drive. A couple more things I'll point out. You do have a nice stainless steel grab handle as you're getting up out of the water, and also a 12-volt outlet back here to blow up your inflatables and then also your tubes. Now, let's take a peek at the interior. Welcome to the interior of this 19 SPX. First thing I'm going to point out is the Dune interior color. So this is optioned out with the Dune interior color. It looks beautiful. You have the Dune sea deck here with the Infinity woven vinyl flooring in the inside. It's snap out, so it's easy to keep clean. One thing I'm going to point out too is the nice port side walkthrough that you have into this 19-foot boat. So you're not going to be stepping on any upholstery. It makes it easy to exit and enter the cockpit area. Opening up the engine hatch here. We have a 4.5 liter Mercruiser engine that produces 200 horsepower, plenty of power to tow your tubers, skiers, have a great day on the water. Off to the left of the engine, you're going to see a big storage compartment area for life jackets, fenders, dock line, whatever it is you may have that you want to bring with you. Underneath the seat here, you will see that you have a nice cooler area. Throw some ice in there, throw some drinks, maybe some sandwiches. Underneath the seat here, you have storage as well. So lots of storage on this 19-foot boat. You have stainless steel cup holders throughout the entire 19-foot SPX here. You have a co-captain's chair right here with a bolster so they can see up and over the windshield. Okay, moving to the glove box, it's a recessed glove box. Gives the driver great visibility through the windshield. Plenty of storage in there as well. Underneath, you'll have a little door with more storage. So this could be for, again, dock lines. You could throw some life jackets in there, towels, some beach bags. As you move to the bow, you have a very spacious bow in this 19-foot boat. The beam is really carried up into the bow, so it feels like you have a lot of space up here, which you actually do. You have stainless steel grab handles. You have 2 speakers up here. You also can take away this seat, and now you have a full walkway out the bow. So if you're at a sandbar, it makes it easy to hop off the front. Okay, we'll move over to the helm here now. You have a very nice captain's chair with great bolstering around the midsection and on your back. You have a flip-up bolster here to make it easy for the driver to see over the windshield if you need to. You have a nice premium steering wheel, your Fusion audio system here, your traditional gauges for your miles per hour RPM, your throttles over here, and then down below here you do have a few charging ports for your USBs, and then also a 12-volt as well. So you have plenty of features packed into this little 19-foot SPX, which is great. So you guys, if you guys have any questions about this 19-foot SPX, if you want to come in and view it, it's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. I encourage you to come in, say hello, ask questions. We're here to answer and help you guys as much as we can. So again, this is Max with MarineMax here in Rogers. Thank you. Have a great day.